Well, if the refs are good with it, I think it's time to begin in 3, 2, 1. 11,556 lowers down elegantly. Oh, 13,439 making some very, very garish noises from their corner, while 11,556 claims their depot.
And while they're doing that, 7776 gets right to their mineral and samples it. Meanwhile, their alliance partner is coming into park.
Whoa, a little bit of movement there on the crater, but it looks like they're in 9470.
And it looks like there has been a minor failure on the field as we enter tally-off.
3, 2, 1.
Let's see if 7776 is back in action once again.
And it looks like it. They certainly are moving.
13,439 drops a silver mineral into the red side of the lander, while 11,556 moves to try and pick up some of the minerals in their crater, getting a single gold mineral so far, but it looks like they're going for another.
Meanwhile, both members of the Blue Alliance seem ever so slightly disoriented as they wander around the field.
These matches can get a little exciting. 7776 looking like they're trying to line up to get from the crater. They're not using much of their mechanism here.
Meanwhile, their alliance partner, 9470, has picked up a single silver mineral and is looking to place it in the lander.
11,556 drops a solid gold one in, while 9470 gets a silver mineral into their side. Each side very slowly getting one more mineral.
Meanwhile, Team 7776 has unfortunately managed to, oh, never mind. They were able to dislodge a gold mineral from beneath their robot. Now they're going to try and descore the red depot.
11,556 collecting another gold mineral with their lifter. We'll see if they can drop it in with the time they've got. They've only got about 10 seconds left before we end up in endgame.
But as we draw close to endgame, Team 13439 is playing a bit of offensive as they steal a silver mineral from the Blue Alliance to place it in the lander.
11,556 drops the gold mineral and has to recover during the end game, aiming to maybe hang this time. We'll see what happens.
And it looks like we will have at least 3 of the 4 Alliance members attempting to hang here.
11,556 set up to hang, pulls themselves up on one bar.
And while they were doing that, 9470 has successfully hung, but 7776 will be unable to hang.